Sairam students, today we will be doing the revision of our chapter 2.3, that is connecting the dots. Okay, so this was a lesson which we had learnt about Steve Jobs, the three stories of Steve Jobs. Yes, his first story was about the struggling days, the second story was about his love and life, and the third story was about his death. Fine. So we have something to be done from the textbook, from the English workshop. So here we have, go through all the three stories, identify some qualities of Steve Jobs and complete the web chart. So we'll complete this web chart. One thing is given, quality of Steve Jobs is given is curiosity. We'll fill in with the other qualities. It is courage. Yes, he was courageous. Determination, intuition, intelligence, and confidence. So these are some qualities of Steve Jobs which we can get through all his three stories mentioned in the lesson. Fine, going ahead. Say how. Okay, so here how, there are some points which are given where to say how these things had happened. The calligraphy classes, how did the calligraphy classes help Steve Jobs after 10 years? How you can connect the dots, how Steve Jobs reacted later on after the shock of being fired from Apple, how Jobs was cured of a rare cancer, and how did Jobs acquire the famous words, stay hungry, stay foolish. We'll do this one by one, children. The first one, the calligraphy classes helped Steve Jobs after 10 years. So these calligraphy classes he had taken when he was there in the Reed College. So how did it help him after a period of 10 years? How did it help him? So it helped him while designing the Macintosh computer. Jobs recalled what he had learnt in his calligraphy classes and used it in the Macintosh computer. Serifs and sans serif, children, remember we had done that? So all what he had learnt about it, these calligraphy classes, he brought that into implementation in his Macintosh computer. Fine. The second one, you can connect dots. How can you connect dots? Yes, he said we can connect the dots only looking backwards. We have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in our destiny. Then the third one, Jobs reacted later on after the shock of being fired from Apple. Okay, so how did he react? Okay, so his reaction was that the heaviness of being successful was replaced by the lightness of being a beginner. He felt free to enter one of the most creative periods of his life. So when after he was fired from Apple, he had that heaviness of being successful was being replaced by the lightness of being a beginner, because he had to start from the scratch again, and that was the period of his time where he had to be the most creative. Then Job was cured of a rare cancer. We learned that he was suffering from pancreatic cancer. So he was diagnosed with the pancreatic cancer, and later on a surgery was done and he was cured of that cancer. Then Jobs acquired the famous words, stay hungry, stay foolish. Now how did he acquire these famous words? It was acquired from an amazing publication called the Whole Earth Catalog. Yes, so these words were there in that Whole Earth Catalog. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Fine. The next one we have is over here is name the tense of the verbs underline to include time, that is past, present, future, and aspect, that is simple or continuous or perfect continuous. So we are having 7 sentences over here. So one by one, children, we will be doing it as to find what is the time and the aspect. Find the first sentence. I slept on the floor. The verb is underlined over here. It is slept. So it is telling us the time. What time is it? The time is past. What aspect is it telling? Yes, so whether it is simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous, so it is telling us that it is simple. The aspect is simple. So the tense of this sentence is simple past tense. Yes, what is the tense of this sentence? Simple past tense. Then the second sentence, you haven't found it. Okay, haven't. So what is the time it is telling us? It is telling us the present time. Yes, and the aspect, children, when we write have plus the past participle, that time we have the perfect tense. Yes, so present perfect tense, the tense of the sentence is present perfect tense. Going ahead, the third one, we were designing the first Macintosh computer. Okay, so word designing is the verb underlined over here. Word definitely tells us about the time, that is the past tense, and designing is ing, it is telling that something is continuing. Yes, so that is the continuous. So the time is past, the aspect is continuous, and the tense of the sentence is past continuous tense. The next sentence, the fourth one, I had made all the difference. Yes, it had made all the difference. So had made. Okay, so that just tells us that is the past tense. Had plus the past participle. Had plus the past participle tells us about the perfect tense, and the sentence over here is the past perfect tense. Next sentence, I am fine now. Okay, so the time it's telling is present, and the aspect, it is just simple aspect, and the tense is simple present tense. The sixth sentence we have, I have been facing death. Have been facing. So have is telling us about the present. Yes, it is the present tense, have been facing. It is the perfect continuous. Yes, so facing ing, so that's continuous, have been facing, so perfect continuous, and the sentence is in present perfect continuous tense. The last sentence, I shall be telling you 3 stories. Okay, so shall be telling. So shall denotes the time which is in future. Be telling will be the continuous aspect. And our sentence over here is future continuous tense. Fine, children? Okay, one more similar activity we have is we have to change the tense as instructed. The first sentence, I got fired. To write it as future perfect tense. So your future will be either will be with the word will or shall. So I will have got fired or I shall have got fired. Second sentence, life hits you in the head. It is the present perfect continuous. So life hits you in the head. So when it is present, it will have to be have, been, and ing form. So what will be my answer? The second sentence, life has been hitting you in the head. So children, over here we have this has been hitting. It is showing us the present perfect continuous tense form of the verb. Fine. Then the next sentence, the dots will somehow connect. Past perfect, the dots had somehow connected. Yes, that is the past perfect, had connected. So the dots had somehow connected. Fourth sentence, I started a company. Present continuous tense. Started is in the past tense. So we have to write it in the present continuous tense. And my answer will be I am starting a company. So am is telling us about the present and starting is the continuous aspect. So I am starting a company. Next one. My doctor advised me. Past perfect continuous. So we have to change the sentence into past perfect continuous. And what will be my answer? My doctor had been advising me. So had past tense, had been advising, so ing form of the verb. So had been advising me. My doctor had been advising me will be the past perfect continuous tense of the sentence which is given. My doctor advised me. Fine. So those were the 5 sentences which we did from change the tense as instructed. I got fired. To future perfect, it will be I will or I shall have got fired. Life hits you in the head. The answer for it for present perfect continuous is life has been hitting you in the head. The dots will somehow connect. Make it as past perfect. The dots had somehow connected. Fourth one, I started a company. Write it as present continuous. So I am starting a company. And my doctor advised me. Past perfect continuous, my doctor had been advising me. So that is these are the answers for the sentences which are given over here, children. As a homework for you, you have to complete the following table. What you are going to do is the three stories in the life of Steve Jobs. Okay, so we are familiar with the three stories in the life of Steve Jobs. So you have to write what is the first story about, what were the setbacks, what were his reactions, and what did he achieve in this first story. Similarly for the second story and the third story. Fine. If you it's fine even if you don't write it in a tabular form, you can write it in the form of points also. So the first story, what was it about? The first story was about his college days when he was struggling. The second story is about his love and life. Third story is about death. Okay, so these are the three stories. So you have to try to get the answers to the various columns which are given over here and write it in your notebook. Fine. So I hope children you have understood this, and also the tense which we have done, those 5 sentences earlier which we have done. It would be beneficial for you if you would copy down those sentences, note down those sentences in your notebook. Fine. So I hope we have understood what we have done today. Meet you again. Till then, stay safe. Sai Ram children. Have a good day.